In this video, you'll learn how to enable dark mode on the Binance app. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully switched your app's theme to a darker interface, which can be easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. Begin by launching the Binance app on your mobile device. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials to access your profile. Once you're on the main screen, locate the profile icon, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the app interface. Tap on this icon to reveal additional options. After tapping the profile icon, a menu will appear. Look for the option labeled Settings within this menu. Selecting Settings will take you to the app configuration section where you can adjust various preferences. This area allows you to customize your experience according to your needs. Once you are in the Settings section, scroll through the available options until you find either theme or appearance. The naming may vary slightly depending on the version of the app you're using, but it should be prominently displayed. Tap on this option to proceed to theme settings. In the theme settings, you will see several options for customizing the appearance of the app. Look for dark mode among the choices available. Selecting dark mode may be as simple as tapping on it, which will highlight your selection. This change is beneficial for reducing eye strain and conserving battery life on OLED screens. After selecting dark mode, you will need to confirm your choice. Look for a button or prompt to save your selection. Once you save the changes, the app's interface will automatically transition to the dark theme. You should notice the background color change immediately, enhancing your viewing experience. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.